Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Monday the 13th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Today we have a special review video coming from Eyova hair nutrient with egg oil. This is for humans. Leave it on 3 hours minimum. It says preferably overnight. You can use this application. Use twice a week. Minimum 4 weeks for visible results. This is for the middle-aged folks, in case you want to prevent premature hair loss, premature hair graying, repairs hair damage. Got a little bald spot up in here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm almost 40, so this stuff right here, good stuff for you. It's a supplement right there, and all you gotta do, take the bottle out. This is what it looks like. Oops. Excuse me 1 sec. Hold on. Here it is. Eyova. Right there. Good stuff right here. This stuff smells amazing. Like I said, it says to leave it overnight for best use. But if you're a night person and work the midnight shift, do this during the day before you go to bed. Wash it out. I'll be doing a little sample doing it on my head right in about a few minutes. And it takes 90 days to start showing the real result. So, what, 3 months? Definitely, I'll be doing a review video back in, October, 2 months, September, October, November, mid-November, I'll be doing the results. So, stay tuned. And, dandruff gets rid of, split ends, hair fail, everything it does. And then, but like I said, it smells really good. So, oh yes, if you guys can see, cheers. Do not drink this. So, just take a dab. I don't know if you guys can see. Take a dab. In my hand. I don't know if you guys can tell. There it is. Drip it down. Just rub it in. I'm doing it in my back area. I'm just gonna leave it on most of the day, and then like 3 hours later, I'm gonna rinse it off and all that good stuff. But like I said, really easy to use. Smells really good. Take care of your hair while you still can, and no more dandruff. Friends, hair loss. So this is the future of hair treatment. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. The link is going to be down below. You can always check out my unboxing video. I did it with my dog, but this is made for humans. So, but I don't know. I didn't know how to do it at first this video, but now it's done. And then that's all you gotta do. Just let it sit in. Just rub it in nice and good. Leave it in for what does it say? 3 hours or so, and then boom. Yeah, about 3 hours minimum. So about noon, I'll wash it off with shampoo. Okay, so leave that on for about 3 hours. When you're ready to wash it, all you gotta do is use the shampoo and then wash away. Use twice a week. And my hands a little oil. Eyova. So check them out, YouTubers. Link down below. You guys be safe. Thank you guys at Eyova. Paid video. So good company. Get your hair fixed. Smells good. Be safe. Have a good one. See ya.